Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Apps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your banglarbhumi account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your banglarbhumi account from your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And then the search bar, click over there and type in banglarbhumi gov.in like this and hit enter, and let's let the page load first. Or you can just simply search for banglarbhumi login on the Google itself like this and hit enter. And after that, you can see the banglarbhumi.gov.in over here. Click over there and you will find the both websites are the same. And let's close one of these because both of the websites are same. Now to log into your banglarbhumi account from your computer, you can see the sign up option available over here on the top middle side of the screen. Click on sign in. I'm hovering right over here. Or if you have not yet signed up for banglarbhumi account, you can see the sign up button available over here. Click there and you'll be taken to the process where you can sign up for banglarbhumi. Let's click on sign in, and you can see the dialog box appear, and you can see the citizens and the departmental users category. Or if you are a departmental user, click on departmental user and enter your username, password, the given captcha, and click on login to sign into your banglarbhumi account. And if you are a citizen and you want to log into your citizen banglarbhumi account, enter your username over here and your password over here, and then after that enter your captcha over here. This might be different for you. The page can load a different captcha for you, but write in that captcha for verification and simply click on login to sign into your banglarbhumi account. Or if you have forgotten your password, simply click on forgot password to go through a procedure to retrieve your password. And there, guys, this is how you log into your banglarbhumi account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.